Want to protect your heart while enjoying delicious, everyday foods? The right choices can support healthy cholesterol levels, blood pressure, circulation, and overall cardiovascular health. In this video, discover 5 heart-friendly foods packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that can become simple, nutritious additions to your daily diet. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, trout, and mackerel are excellent choices for people looking to support better heart health. These fish are naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are important nutrients for cardiovascular function. Eating fatty fish regularly can help support healthy triglyceride levels and may contribute to overall heart health when included as part of a balanced eating pattern. Fatty fish also provides high-quality protein, making it a satisfying option for lunch or dinner without relying on highly processed foods. For a simple meal, try baked salmon with vegetables and a side of brown rice. You can also add canned sardines or tuna to a salad for a quick lunch. When choosing canned fish, look for options lower in sodium when possible. For adults in the United States, a practical goal is to include fish as part of a balanced diet several times per week, with an emphasis on varieties that provide omega-3 fats. Pairing fish with vegetables, beans, whole grains, and other minimally processed foods can create a heart-conscious meal. Remember, no single food can prevent heart disease. The biggest benefits come from your overall dietary pattern, regular physical activity, healthy weight management, adequate sleep, and other healthy lifestyle habits. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are another excellent food to include in a heart-friendly eating pattern. They contain plant-based omega-3 fatty acids called alpha-linolenic acid, along with fiber, protein, antioxidants, and unsaturated fats. Unlike many heavily processed snack foods, a small serving of walnuts can provide satisfying nutrients without added sugar or refined carbohydrates. Their combination of healthy fats and fiber can make them a convenient snack when you are trying to build a more balanced diet. Research on nuts and cardiovascular health suggests that regularly eating nuts as part of an overall healthy dietary pattern is associated with better heart health outcomes. Walnuts can also be used to replace less nutritious foods such as chips, cookies, or highly processed snacks. Try adding a small handful of unsalted walnuts to oatmeal, plain yogurt, salads, or a bowl of fresh fruit. You can also use chopped walnuts as a crunchy topping for roasted vegetables. Because walnuts are calorie-dense, portion size matters. A small handful is usually enough to enjoy their nutritional benefits without adding excessive calories to your day. Choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties when possible, especially if you are watching your sodium intake. For Americans looking to improve their everyday diet, replacing processed snacks with nutrient-dense foods such as walnuts can be a simple step toward a more heart-conscious eating pattern. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are delicious fruits that can fit easily into a heart-friendly diet. Berries provide fiber, vitamins, and naturally occurring plant compounds called polyphenols, including anthocyanins that give many berries their deep red, blue, and purple colors. These antioxidant-rich compounds help support the body's natural defenses against oxidative stress. Berries are also naturally sweet, making them a useful alternative to desserts and snacks that contain large amounts of added sugar. One of the easiest ways to enjoy berries is to add them to breakfast. Mix blueberries or strawberries into plain oatmeal or unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can also blend frozen berries into a smoothie or simply enjoy fresh berries as a snack. Fiber is particularly important because a diet rich in fiber can support healthy cholesterol levels and digestive health. Choosing whole berries rather than fruit juices also gives you more of the fruit's natural fiber and tends to be more filling. When buying frozen berries, check the ingredient list and choose products without added sugar whenever possible. Fresh berries are also an excellent choice when they are available and affordable. A heart-conscious eating pattern is not about completely avoiding sweet foods. Instead, it is about choosing nutrient-rich foods more often. Replacing sugary snacks with naturally sweet berries can be a simple and enjoyable way to increase your intake of fruits, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado is a unique fruit because it is naturally rich in monounsaturated fat, a type of unsaturated fat that can be part of a heart-healthy eating pattern. It also provides fiber, potassium, and several vitamins and minerals. Replacing foods high in saturated fat with foods containing unsaturated fats can help support healthier cholesterol levels. This makes avocado a useful alternative to foods such as butter, creamy spreads, or highly processed sauces. You can add sliced avocado to whole grain toast for a simple breakfast, mix it into a salad, or use mashed avocado as a spread. It can also be paired with beans, tomatoes, and other vegetables to create a satisfying meal. Avocado also contains potassium, an essential mineral involved in fluid balance and normal muscle and nerve function. Getting enough potassium from foods can be part of an overall diet designed to support healthy blood pressure. However, avocado is relatively calorie-dense, so portion size still matters. You do not need a large amount to add flavor and nutritional value to your meal. For a simple American-style lunch, try whole grain toast topped with avocado, tomato, and a source of lean protein such as eggs or grilled chicken. This combination provides healthy fats, fiber, protein, and important micronutrients. The goal is not to rely on avocado alone. Instead, use it as one nutritious component of a varied diet that includes vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and other minimally processed foods. Number 5. Oats. Oats are a simple, affordable, and versatile food that can play an important role in a heart-conscious eating pattern. They are particularly known for containing soluble fiber, including a type called beta-glucan. Soluble fiber can help support healthy cholesterol levels by interacting with cholesterol and bile acids in the digestive system. Regularly choosing fiber-rich foods such as oats can therefore be a useful part of an overall diet focused on cardiovascular wellness. For breakfast, try a bowl of oatmeal topped with blueberries, strawberries, walnuts, or a small amount of sliced banana. This combination gives you fiber, antioxidants, healthy fats, and other nutrients in one satisfying meal. Choose plain oats rather than flavored instant oatmeal products that may contain significant amounts of added sugar. You can naturally add flavor with cinnamon, berries, chopped nuts, or unsweetened yogurt. Oats are also a good source of complex carbohydrates which can provide steady energy when combined with protein and healthy fats. Their versatility makes them easy to include in a variety of meals and snacks. For adults in the United States, making breakfast more nutrient-dense can be a simple starting point for improving overall eating habits. Instead of pastries or sugary cereals, a bowl of plain oatmeal with fruit and nuts can provide a more balanced combination of fiber and nutrients. Remember that heart health depends on your overall lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, not smoking, adequate sleep, and following your healthcare professionals' advice all matter. These 5 foods can support a healthy eating pattern, but they are not a replacement for prescribed medical treatment.